Hi friends, it's me again with another update on the project that we are working on in Africa. So playground is almost ready. We built the swings, we built the balancers, we built some other toys that they can play. We even got some benches and stuff down there so they can sit and do whatever activities they want. Also, some big changes are happening around building stuff. I'm gonna show you another project that apparently started today. There's this team from the Netherlands, and they decided to help renovating this building over there, which is pretty cool. And yeah, they have the materials here. Workers are coming. The kitchen is also proceeding very well. Let me show you a glimpse of it. And there we go. It's the basics are already there, so I don't know, it's probably gonna take a month to be finished. There's some more. There's this front that we were talking about, the water tank. This is very important in order to collect and use the rainwater properly. So as you can see, a lot of stuff is happening there. I'm really happy and excited that we're making an impact. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you very soon.